What's up, everybody? So here it is. We have the Samsung Galaxy S8. This is going to be my unboxing video of it, and just quick first look at it. So let's go ahead and jump in. Take this guy out of the box, and I have the AT&T Orchid Gray variant. That is the color that I liked, and we'll see how she looks. So, okay. Open this. AT&T literature. Put that off to the side. And there is the phone itself. Looks like a little candy bar. We'll get to the rest of the stuff in the box in a bit, but I want to get this beauty out of here. Put that off to the side. And wow, this is a really narrow phone. Feels really good in the hand. This is the S8. I opted not to go for the S8 Plus. I thought that one was a little too tall for me, so that's why I went with the regular S8. But let's see if it's got some juice, and we'll power it on. That off to the side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the phone. And that is a really nice color, nice finish. Very similar to the S7 Edge, but this color is new. But it looks really nice, and so I went with the Orchid Gray just because it's a new color. It's a different color. Let's go ahead and see if it's got any juice. We'll power it on. Ugh. AT&T. Ugh. I'm sure this thing will have lots of awesome carrier bloatware, as all carrier versions do. Okay, so it's on. Go ahead and set it aside. I'll set it up in another video, but right now I want to see what else is in the box. We have more literature and our SIM eject tool. We have some adapters. It's like a USB micro to USB-C, and then a USB type A, I think is what that is, to USB-C. This is going to be to transfer data from your old phone, whatever phone that may be. We have a charging brick. Oh my goodness, it is black. I think that's the first time they've done a black charging brick. That's awesome. I was getting tired of the white charger and the white cables. So here we have our USB-C charging cable / data cable. And then the AKG headphones. Gone are the stock Samsung earbuds. I said we get these instead, which from the reviews I've been seeing, I get some extra earpieces in there. From the reviews I've been seeing, these are pretty decent. And so they feel pretty nice. The cable is like a braided nylon, and then of course the top part we have our little earbuds and standard headphone jack, because yeah, we got a headphone jack. That's what courage looks like. Alright, let's move this to the side, see what else we got in here. That's pretty much it. That's all that's in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video and get on to actually getting the phone set up so I can start using it as my daily driver. But that's it for now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to see me go through the setup, cleanup, all that jazz process of this phone, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for me, you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram. Until next time, take care.